How you doing? Well, welcome back. This is Carlos from NVS Audio. You can visit us on the web, www.nvsaudio.com. This is our BMW X5 once again. We have just upgraded the touchscreen. We went from the 3300 BT Pioneer to the new avic X930 BT, which just came out this week. As I showed you in the earlier video, the unit's plug and play if you're upgrading from the 3300 BT to the 930. The only thing you have to be careful with is they have reversed the position of the backup purple wire and the remote turn on lead. You switch those two wires around and you do not have to rewire if you're upgrading. Now, there is no external nav box. This unit has the nav built in, so you just hit the mode button. There you are on the map. Got the iPod connected. There's the artwork in the lower right hand corner. Bring it back. This unit has built-in HD radio. That's an upgrade from the 3300. It has detachable lower panel, which is pretty cool. So it renders the unit pretty much useless without this piece in place. I'm going to go ahead and put that piece back on. Snaps right back in. Unit comes right back to life. While that boots up, show you we're using the iPhone 4 with the 50V cable. We're still waiting on the 51V to come out. The main difference is the 51 supports the iPad, which is very exciting. As soon as we get that in stock, we'll be testing out and showing you guys how it works. Okay, it's asking us if we want to set a password. I'm going to leave that up to the customer. As you can see, the menu is much nicer than the 3300 BT. I'm going to go into sources. It's going to give me Pandora Direct Control for my iPhone 4. Now, we have tested the iPhone 3GS works with the Pandora Direct Connect. Now, we've had some problems getting the 3GS to work, showing the Motion X, but if you jailbreak it and run the mirror software, it will allow you to do video out on the screen, which will enable the Netflix on the 3GS. I'm going to post it in the notes lower on this video so you know exactly which program it is to unlock it, and in a further video we'll actually show you working on 3GS. But for now, we're going to show you that's the Pandora working on the iPhone 4 on the 930 BT. Pretty easy to use navigate. And I just want to ensure that our Netflix app is working. Pretty cool scroll feature. I'm going to hit our app mode button, which on the 3300 was on the right hand side of the screen. On this unit, it's dead center in the middle on the bottom. There's our Netflix interface. I'm just going to hit resume for my iPhone. And there it is, the movie's loading up.
It's K-N-I-F-E.
And we got a little Cat Williams.
This bitch is stupid, she really is.
Yes, that would be knife. Knife. This is what she told me in front of the whole class. She said the K is silent. I said, then take that quiet mother.
Use a standard FM tuner. Has RDS, shows you the names of the songs. One of the greatest parts of this unit is that it streams audio using A2DP. So I'm just going to go into my settings and watch how quickly you can pair a phone to this unit. And there it is, just popped up on the bottom of the list. Let's make sure it's set up in the unit. So we're going to hit the home button, phone, kind of difficult to do this with one hand. Switch down for a second. There we go. That was my fault. It's registered from the unit. There it is. Menu just popped up on the phone. And we are connected. So you can see, it's going to work for phone calls and streaming. Let's go ahead and make a call. And there it is. As you can see, it's showing the name of the person we're calling. I'm going to go ahead and hang up. Don't want to speak to them right now. Hit the mode button to switch back into audio mode. There we are, we're in Bluetooth audio mode. And there we are, streaming audio. MBS audio, please hold. There we are, streaming audio from the iPhone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Pick up one of these great units and knock yourself out.